Okay, so hello guys, good afternoon, good day. This is me again, Jason, and welcome to my channel In Depth. At andito tayo ngayon guys para i-discuss itong event nga po ng Bybit na kung saan magdi-distribute po sila dito ng token splash. Kailangan lang po natin sumali sa different project or different price pool, okay? So token splash po ang tawag dito guys. Ang gagawin po natin dito is magdi-deposit, magti-trade at pwede nga po tayo maka-earn po dito from various price pool. So meaning nito guys, kahit ano po ang salihan po natin dito, basta mag-join po tayo, makakasali po tayo sa kanilang pa-event po na to, okay? So ito po yung mga event po nila dito sa Bard, sa Zkp, sa Vol, sa Score. At ayun nga guys, kailangan lang po talaga natin sumali dito. At kung paano tayo magsisimula, need po muna natin mag-register gamit ang ating Bybit, okay? So ayan po yung link po natin dyan sa baba guys ng Bybit po guys. Need lang po natin ang ating email, mobile number at password po natin at i-click lang po natin tong checkbox po dito and okay na po yan, okay? Tapos ayun nga guys, ano nga ba itong splash po natin? Itong splash po natin guys is open to all users, showcasing various new token listings, and if you are interested in specific new tokens or believe in the future potential, pwede po tayo maka-earn ng rewards by participating in token splash, okay? So this is not meant for Austria, Belgium, at iba pa pong mga bansa po dito. Pero, yun nga guys, ayan po yung mga bansa po nila, basahin na lang po natin. Paano tayo makaka-earn ng additional reward dito? You can participate in the event and earn rewards through the following method. Accumulate deposit of relevant tokens to meet exceed or the minimum required amount during the event period. Deposit an equivalent of USDT and purchase the minimum required quantity of the relevant token through the spot trading, and during the task period, achieve or exceed the minimum required trading volume of the relevant tokens for the spot trading. The requirements and rewards may vary depending on different tokens event, and you may refer to the details on this page for more information. Okay? So sino ang pwede mag-qualify po dito guys? All users who have completed KYC and participant in the event by clicking register now. To initiate your identity verification, ayan, please click here. Tapos, meron po dito, can I use a sub-account? Ayan, no po. Tapos, how is the accumulated deposit amount calculated? All deposit made during the event period, including deposit made through an on-chain transfer, mako-consider po yan. Pero yung internal via transfer, hindi po yan makakalculate, okay? So, trading volume, alam naman po natin yan. Tapos, paano ba natin ma-claim ang reward po natin? Ma-claim po natin ang rewards guys after 7 days after the event ends. So, pwede po natin antayin lang within 7 days na dumating sa ating account yung ating reward kung pasok po tayo sa mga requirements po nila, okay? Kapag hindi naman po natin na-receive ang ating rewards, ayan, pwede lang po tayo, first come first serve po kasi ito guys, may maximum number of eligible users lang din, tapos all participants to completed trading volume will get a reward, okay? Ayan po yung mga FAQ po nitong ating tokens splash, okay? So ayan po, token splash po yan guys. Price pool po natin dito is around 139 million US dollar. So marami po tayong pwede pong sarihan po dito. Kailangan lang po natin mag-join from various price pool. Yan lang po yung kailangan po natin guys para po tayo makasali po dito sa event ng tokens splash. Okay? So ito yung lang guys. Sana may na-share po ako sa inyo. Diyan lang po yung link ng Bybit po natin sa baba. Pa-like and subscribe na lang guys. Salamat. Bye-bye!